Hey everyone, MrTass and MrTass 3D Print Shop. Got a new review for you today. This is the TOZO S6 Smart Watch. If you saw in a previous video, I did the TOZO S5 Smart Watch, which I've got over here too and we'll show. So this is going to be just a kind of an unboxing and overview, take a look at the screen, the size, see how everything feels and compares. But let's just start out with what it is. The TOZO S6 Smart Watch is a 1.85 inch AMOLED, clear screen, 100 plus sports modes, it's waterproof, has the heart rate, sleep, the blood, the oxygen, all of the stuff you're looking for. And price is nice, $49.99, and a $10 coupon makes it 40 bucks for a smartwatch if you don't already have one. And you can just see here some of the different things. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link if you're interested after seeing the video. But you can see you can do calls actually with it, sleep tracker, smart heart, distance counter, blood oxygen, all the stuff you would want to do with a smartwatch, or you want your smartwatch to have with you. Smart notifications, sleep tracking, all that good kind of stuff. So that's the website. I'll leave the affiliate link, but let's get into the actual packaging and box. So here you have it. It comes, thin little box there. TOZO AccuFit Evo. And this one is in a bit of a square versus the S5 is a rounded shape. So we'll get to that. And then I'm using right now the Versa 2, which is by Fitbit, is what I've been using. And you can see my review on the S5. But let's go ahead and get into the box here and see what you've got inside. So inside, you've got attach the band instruction. You've got the smartwatch itself. Comes with a USB charging cable, and I am curious if this charging cable is the same as the S5 or different. I don't hear you. And so looking at it, it is the same distance. So if you had an S5 and you want to upgrade to the S6, you can have a backup charging cable, which is always nice because they are proprietary. So you got user manuals in there, and then the watch band. So nice black silicone type watch band. I'm going to set the rest of this aside because that's it for the box. And then in here, we're going to peel off the label, and there you go. Nice smartwatch. Let's go ahead and put on the band. Okay, I think I got it. Whew. Okay, so I finally got this one in, and that took me 5 minutes. I don't know if this band is a little thick here, but I had to get a little tool and press down on the end, and you'll see I'll try it on the other one here. But I think that's in now, so that's good. That was a whole lot more difficult than I expected it to be. So, all right, now we're going to try the other side. Give me another 5 minutes. There we go. Got it. So in putting the final band on here, you can see I kind of tore it a little bit there, but it's on. I got it on. So just know, installing this band, they made it super thick and tight here on the end, and it was difficult. I had to use a little tool to press down on the end, and even then, I might have damaged my band a little bit. Hopefully that won't tear out if it's on, but just know, be careful, and you will have to get some force to get this in there tight enough to get it on there. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and see if we can turn it on and see if it will work here. Alright, there we go. Whew. Tell you, that was a lot of work to get that there watch band on. Now, let me get my TOZO app ready, because we're going to need that to pair. So, starting out here, we've got camera. Alright, so I'm going to select English, and then I want to open up, so go to TOZO, and this is saying download the TOZO Health App to your phone. And it looks like this actually might require the TOZO Health App, not just the TOZO. Yeah, it says not supported actually. So I need to go get the TOZO Health App. 1 minute. Okay, so it looks like the TOZO Health is the S3, S4. I don't see one for the S6, so we're going to see if this one works for the watch. Okay, I've now got the TOZO Health app installed. Okay, so searching for an app. So now I've got TOZO S6. It says connecting, pair, finish, successful. Okay, and then you can choose whether you want it to be able to see the notifications. There we go. Okay, so now it is fully set up. Pair. There we go. I now have a connected TOZO smartwatch to the TOZO Health app, which will show you heart rate, sleep, stress, standing, exercise. Do different things here, devices, wake modes. You can change your different settings there. Change your watch faces, and then go to your own personal information. So let's get back to the watch itself. So the watch here, and just for comparison's sake, so this is the S5 here and the S6 here. The S5 actually feels heavier, and it actually kind of looks bigger. I don't know if that's the case. I am not liking the clock face it picks on the S6. But the S5 has a very nice feel to it, and it is about $10 more than the S6. But let's see if we can change this clock face, because yeah, that one is just not working for me. Sync completed. Okay, so there we go, just like that. I have a new watch face on there ready to go. And so let's just see what else I can do. There, you can do heart rate, so we can put it on our wrist here. And you can see it's actually about the same size as my Fitbit Sense 2. But you can see it is pulling up the heart rate. Here we go, this way. And then stress levels, sleep, activity, and the watch face. If you swipe down, you can see notifications. Swipe up, you can set brightness. Looks like it gets actually pretty bright. Alarms, notifications. You can do searches, sleep modes, settings. So in the settings, you've got vibrate, wake, gesture, power off, QR code, motion recognition, some different things there. Power saving, low battery modes. That's it for there. If we swipe, heart rate, stress, sleep, activity, and back to the watch face. So that's the S6 in a nutshell. For 40 bucks, if you need a smartwatch that'll give you notifications, has a nice color display, the battery life should be actually pretty good. You can see the sensors there on the back. Worth checking out. Certainly a whole lot better than 200 plus for a Versa 2. Or you can look at the S5 and see my video on the S5 and check it out. TOZO makes a lot of nice products. I use a lot of their earbuds. I like the Open Ego and the Open Buds and the Open Reel. A lot of open. But check out TOZO. You can go to their website, tozo.com, and see things there, or check them out on Amazon with the affiliate link. Actually, it's tozostore.com. And until next time, sorry for a bit of a mess of a video here.